Rub oil on your hands or put on gloves and then remove the tail and devein the California Chiles. Repeat the steps with the Pasilla Chiles and save the seeds. Heat half a cup of canola oil in a large pan on medium to high heat and have a pot or large container readily available to place the ingredients in after they're pan fried. Add the chiles to the oil and quickly pan fry them. The goal is to warm them through while lightly frying them. Make sure not to burn them as they do burn easily. Add the bolillo slices and pan fry them until golden brown. If the bolillo soaks up the oil, add more oil to the pan. Add the onions, tomatillos, tomatoes, and garlic and saute. Add the peanuts, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and pasilla chile seeds to the garlic, onion, tomatoes, and tomatillos. Lightly pan fry them until aromatic. Place all the ingredients in the pot. Add cumin, cloves, black peppercorn, whole black pepper, bay leaves, and enough chicken broth to cover all the ingredients in the pot, and cover. Allow the ingredients to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. Dissolve the Doña Maria mole sauce with chicken broth until smooth. Once the ingredients in the pot are soft, place them in the blender along with some of the liquid, puree until smooth, and set aside. Repeat these steps until all the ingredients are pureed. Heat 1 cup of canola oil in a large pot on high heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1 cup of flour and stir constantly to make a blonde roux. Add the puree to the roux and stir constantly to avoid it from clumping up. Add chicken broth to wash off the remaining products from the pot. Add the chocolate and stir. Add sugar and stir. Lower the heat to medium and add the Doña Maria mole sauce and stir. Add more chicken broth to achieve a thinner consistency. This step is optional. It is up to you whether you want a thick mole sauce or a thin mole sauce. Bring to a boil, taste, and adjust the seasoning as needed. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. And as always, if you make this recipe or any of the recipes that I post, tag me on Instagram. Stay tuned for next week's video. Hasta pronto!